Hi, this is Mrs. Johnson talking to you about today, September the 1st, 2020. This is the agenda that I have posted today in class. It's World Letter Writing Day. I gave a daily check-in on a form for you to complete for attendance purposes as well as using the waiting room to try to get you in. So please make sure that you are here on time to complete that form. That is for your benefit. We worked on the Country Culture Capture Organizer. I need you to complete the organizer itself about your country, and then I need you to turn in that URL link that we set up yesterday that should be the one that says anyone with the link can view. There is a reflection for you to complete as well. You can start working on Frisco's history discussion in Canvas today. If you don't get finished with it, that's fine. Relax. You will have some time to work on it tomorrow as well. It's not due until Thursday. So today you need to make sure that you have the URL or link for your culture graphic organizer. Secondly, if you have stripes tomorrow, would you please wear that to class? All right, I'm going to exit out of this and let's go to Canvas and see what we are doing today. Okay, so in the course, let's go to calendar. So country research and response. This is what we started working on yesterday in class. You know, I like to click it and make it bigger so you can see it better. Right. Remember to get to Culturegrams, you're going to use the username Frisco ISD. Please do not put any spaces in front of it or it's not going to work. The password will be library, L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. If you were to take a look at a country that maybe your family comes from that area, or maybe it's a place you'd like to visit. So that was what you were working on yesterday. And you were filling in your organizer that you created, that you completed, that had all this information in it. Okay. Today, you have a reflection to complete, and then you need to also turn in that link. So let me show you how to turn in that link. My graphic organizer is already open, so I'm going to go to it. I'm going to click the share button. You see how it says get link. This is the correct way it needs to be done. I'm going to click copy link, click done. Go back to Canvas where it says submit assignment at the top of the assignment. We'll click that. You'll see a website URL button. Please put your cursor here into the box and let's fill it in with a paste. Now I'm going to click the button Submit Assignment. And yay, I should see some confetti. That tells me that I'm in the right place. Let's go back to the reflection that we have here, Culturegrams Post Research Reflection. You can click it here, or you can click it in your calendar. I'm going to click it in the calendar. This is what you're working on. Culturegrams Post Research Reflection. What were 3 really cool facts you learned about the country or countries that you researched? And then, please note, you need to respond before you see other students' replies. Please respond to 2 other students' posts. So you will have to press the reply button in order to write your response, and then you'll be able to see some other people's responses. Okay. So that is it for today. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, marvelous Tuesday afternoon. You guys take care, be kind, and do good.